Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Molly. Here we do some sewing, some crafts, and some fun. Today we're gonna sew. I have a collection of just like old denim jeans that I want to make into something. I'm thinking a skirt, but I want it to be patchwork because I love the look of patchwork. I think it's so cute. So let's go through this stash of denim I have and get something pulled together. Okay, so these are all jeans that were either too small for me now or they were Papa's and he put a giant hole through the tuchus. I don't know how he did that, but he did. So what I'm thinking is I'm gonna take this one. I think. I always hated wearing these shorts because they had this flap on the back for the pocket. So like, I like carrying my phone in my back pocket, but I can't do that if there is a cover. What I want to do is just like slice under the zipper, under the pocket, and then we're gonna see where it fits on my waist and then add length to there to make a little patchwork skirt. Does that make sense? We're gonna find out. Okay, let's start cutting. Oh, we might have made a bit of a mistake. I just cut this really close to the end of the pocket. So in order to seam on new fabric, I'm gonna have to cut off a little bit of the pocket with my stitch line. But I don't care, so that's okay. Just if you try this, don't do what I just did. Now that we've cut this, it is coming up around my waist. It's feeling comfortable there. I have my skirt on underneath so you guys don't get mentally scarred. But yeah, okay, so what we're gonna do, eventually I'm gonna take these little flaps off so I can actually use these pockets. But now I think I'm just gonna cut out some squares, start patchworking onto the bottom of this, add some length, make it a bit longer. Because right now it's a belt. It is a belt. Sorry, my brain is fuzz right now. I took the lid flap, the flap of this pocket off, and it took me too damn long. So I'm just gonna leave the other one on for now, and maybe in the future we'll take it off. But I don't have two phones, I only have one phone, so we can just put it into this pocket. Also, there's the button for the pocket. I have no idea how to get that off. I think I would need some special tool. So we're just gonna leave this one on. Let's start patchworking. That's the part I'm excited about. So we've got this first strip of fabric done. I was cutting these out in all these fun different sort of shapes, but then I decided that was maybe not the best idea in order to get them put on the skirt in an organized way. The plan is to iron this out and then attach it on the straight edge. We'll go down tier by tier, adding more denim from there. However, my cold is acting up and I'm getting tired, so I'm gonna go inside and sit in my bed for a while, and we'll come back to this when I'm feeling a bit more peppy. It's so hot up here today. Like, I had a cute little cardigan on, but I'm too warm. Hello, we are back. We have sewn that strip of patches onto the skirt, and right now I'm just ironing it so it's got a nice seam. But I thought we'd chat a bit. My dog is sick. Emmett is having some tummy trouble. He's gonna be fine. He's just dehydrated right now, and we took him to the vet, and he needed some like saline or something, I don't know a lot about medical stuff. You know, that kind of stuff is no fun. You don't want to see your pets not feeling well because they can't talk to you like a family member can. They don't really understand, like, oh yeah, I'm trying to get you to drink water. I know you don't want to do it, but it's gonna make you feel better, and it's hard to say that to them because they're dogs. He's here, he's resting. He got to skip his walk today. So I think he's just going to have a few days and hopefully we'll be better soon. Otherwise, things have been pretty chill. I think I need to make some more summery tops, and for some reason that sounds not very exciting to me, and I don't know why. There's just something about like that as a project that doesn't sound very fun, but it will be very handy, so that might be on my list of things to make soon. I also really want to try to crochet swimwear. I'm super new to crochet. I've only been crocheting for like 2 months now, 2, maybe 3. And I'm just obsessed with it, as you can probably tell from all my shorts if you've been watching any of my YouTube shorts. But I'm obsessed with it, and I really want to try and make a swimsuit, because a lot of my swimsuits from last year don't fit me. I really would love to make something with kind of like a watermelon motif, but we'll see. We'll see if that happens. You know, it's hard to get all your projects made. Does anyone else have this issue where you've just got so many ideas in your head and you literally don't have the time to get them all out into the ether of the world, because you can't just spend all your time crafting and sewing and stitching and but we'll see. I've got some fun ideas that I'm excited for. What are you guys working on? I want to know what projects you've been doing. Okay, I think this is ironed out good. Here, I'll show you. There we go. I've got this big piece in the front. I'm not sure how I feel about that, but there's some variation in the back. And I think for this next row of denim, we're going to do much smaller pieces, kind of more like this. We'll see if we need a third row. I'm just gonna try it on as we go and see. Okay, let's see if, can you see this? I have 2 tiers of patches on here, and I like this length. I think it's good, but I want to leave the edge unhemmed so that I can get that frayed look. And I'm a little worried that if I leave it, I'm looking at the mirror, the way it is now, it might fray up too much. It is also a little bit tight because I'm just going straight down, adding the same width. I'm not like going out, but I'm not gonna worry about that. We're gonna do one more tier of patchwork, and I think I'm gonna make these squares a little bit shorter, not quite the same, because I don't want it to get too long. But yeah, that's the plan next. Oh my gosh, I am so glad we added this third tier because I think it just looks a lot more complete. Let me show you. This is the reveal. What do you think? Da, 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 da. Ow. I always forget how low this side of the ceiling is. But yeah, that's the patchwork skirt. I really like it. This, I feel like it's still short, it's still flirty, but it's definitely gonna be more comfortable and easier to move in, easier to sit in, which we love. So I think that's it for the video. If you like this, feel free to give it a like. If you want to see more, please subscribe. We upload almost every Thursday. Thank you so much for watching. Be brave and do your best. Okay, bye.